You say the lesson. I put more oil in it myself. We have more vinegar than oil in this, didn't you?
No, I'm going to try mixing it